Good day everyone, my name is Aisha Alikalan, BSISM intern. I will introduce the 10 commandments of safety driving. Number 1. I will not drive when drunk nor doze for the fatigue. Number 2. I will not pass without care on curbs, not hills, not views is unseen by eyes. Number 3. I will not violate speed laws nor exceed speed limits. 4. I will do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. Number 5. I will do not make a twist without signal my intentions. 6. I will do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospital, and other dangerous zones. Number 7. I will not be careless when crossing at the intersections. 8. I will do not blare my headlights on approaching cars at night. Number 9. I will slow down when the twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. 10. I will be courteous and respect all of the rights of the every drives and the pedestrian. Number 1. Thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. Number 2. Thou shalt not throw out of the window. 3. Thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. 4. Thou shalt not taken any chains. 5. Thou shalt buckle of the keys. 6. Thou shalt not drive on thy bride. 7. Thou shalt not drive when one light or with faculty lights. 8. Thou shalt adhere to the speed limit. 9. Thou shalt keep the distance. 10. Thou shalt practice but number 1, keep right. Number 2, observe road courtesy. Number 3, prohibited parking. 4, if double, do not overtake. 5, the bus stop rule and lining up the bus stop zone. 6, rule to prevent or tank traffic jams. 7, observe traffic management measures. 8, the philosophy of paying on driver, first come, first serve, and vehicle. 9. On pedestrian. 10. Remember the international drawing safety and reminders.